watch me bring this hair back to life. As you can see, it is dry. This is how you get your curly hair back to life, ladies and gentlemen. First, you want to spray her a generous amount. Getting her luster back. She's coming back to life. This is a bit of product that I love to use on my curly hair. It keeps my curls juicy, and when it dries down, it just still looks nice. So that would be my product of choice for curly hair. I definitely do a generous amount depending upon how long my hair is. And now when it dries down, it really is just gonna dry down. So fucking pretty. Stay tuned.